So question 3. Express 12x square minus 6x plus 5 in the form of px minus q whole square plus r, where p, q, and r are constant to be found. Now for this question, the first thing we do is try to come up with x square. So how can we come up with x square? We take 12 as common. So 12, we take it as common. So x square minus 6 upon 12x plus 5 upon 12. So this is what we get. Now we can write this as 12 into x square minus 1 upon 2x plus 5 upon 12. Now we need to come up with this x minus q. So this amount. So we know that a plus b raised to power 2 is a square plus 2ab plus b square. We know this. So according to this formula, we always add this 2. So now in order to get x square minus 1 upon 2x, we need to go reverse. So if you want to go reverse, we need to divide it by 2. So this will become 12 x minus 1 upon 4 raised to power 2. So if you open this, x minus 1 upon 4 raised to power 2, this will become x square minus 2 into x into 1 upon 4, because a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And we will be having plus minus 1 upon 4 raised to power 2. Now, up till this point, it's okay. It would be x square minus 1 upon 2x. But we are having this thing extra. So we need to subtract minus 1 upon 4 whole square plus 5 upon 12. Now let's erase this. Now let's solve this equation. So this can be written as 12 x minus 1 upon 4 raised to power 2. This will become minus 1 upon 16. So minus 1 upon 4 raised to power 2 is 1 upon 16 plus 5 upon 12. Now minus 1 upon 16 plus 5 upon 12 can be written as x minus 1 upon 4 whole square. So minus 12 plus 80 divided by 12 into 16. So 12 ones are 12, 16 into 5 is 80, and we take 16 into 12 as your denominator. This can be written as 12 x minus 1 upon 4 whole square plus 68 whole over 12 into 16. Now if you open this bracket, this will become 12 into x minus 1 upon 4 whole square plus 68 into 12 divided by 12 into 16. So 12 will be multiplied by this factor and will also be multiplied by this factor. So 12 and 12 cancels out. 4 4s are 16, 4 17s are 68. So we are left with 12 x minus 1 upon 4 whole square plus 17 upon 4. So we need to write, so what will be your p? P will be your 12. What will be your q? Q would be 1 upon 4. And R will be 17 upon 4. So P equals to 12, Q equals to 1 upon 4, and R equals to 17 upon 4. So this is what the answer should be. So 12 into x minus 1 upon 4 whole square plus 17 upon 4. So this is exactly what we are getting. Now for the second question. Now 12x square minus 6x plus 5 would be a graph something like this. It would be a graph having this U shape. Or it can be like this as well. So, but one thing for sure, it will be a U-shaped graph, because over here x square is positive. So y equals to x square is like this. So y equals to x square is like this. So we add, so p equals to x minus q whole square. So x minus q. So what will be, so we made this equation as 12 x minus 1 upon 4 whole square plus 17 upon 4. So when x equals to 1 upon 4, when x equals to 1 upon 4, so this whole expression, so this is y. So when x equals to 1 upon 4, so then y is 17 upon 4. So this, your graph would actually be like this. It won't be like this, it will be actually like this. So this will be your minimum point. 1 upon 4 and 17 upon 4 will be your minimum point. Now hence find the greatest value of 12x square minus 6x plus 5 raised to power minus 1. So we are coming up with this graph. 12x square minus 6x plus 5. So what is happening? We are inversing this graph. So if your original graph was like this, now this graph, so the minimum would actually become the maximum value. So the graph would actually flip. So the minimum value, so 1 over a very small number, the minimum number will actually become the maximum number. So the graph will going to flip. Now hence find the greatest value. Hence find the greatest value of 12x square minus 6x plus 5. So y equals to 1 upon 12x square minus 6x plus 5. So the greatest value would be when this is the smallest number. So y's greatest value would be when this is your smallest number. So 1 upon small number, the smallest number will actually will be giving you the highest number. So what will be the smallest number over here? So as we know that this is our graph, your smallest number of the graph. So this y is 17 upon 4. So 1 upon 17 upon 4 will actually become 4 upon 17. So 1 divided by 17 upon 4 will actually become 1 multiplied by 4 upon 17. So this is 4 upon 17. So 4 upon 17 will be your greatest value. And again, we need to understand that 12x square minus 6x plus 5 is actually the reciprocal, or we inverse this. So this whole graph will going to flip. The minimum value will become your maximum value. So the right answer would be 4 upon 17. So the greatest value will be 4 upon 17 when x equals to 1 upon 4. And why x equals to 1 upon 4? And as we have discussed, so 1 upon x, when x is 1 upon 4, that is your minimum value. So 1 upon 12x square minus 6x plus 5, maximum value would be at when this equation 12x square minus 6x plus 5 is going to give you the minimum value. So 1 over minimum value will going to give you the maximum value.